Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT. Now the reason that we use the $25 business is because it's affiliate system, which is immaculate. 80% recurring income. That means you get paid 80% of the sales that you bring in, and you get paid every single month of those sales, guys. That's insane. That's insane. Best deal ever, and best affiliate market program I ever found. And if you're an affiliate marketer, you know how enticing that is. So guys, if you're interested in following on, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna look at our results here. It looks like we did get a sale yesterday, so we're just gonna refresh the page here so I can show you these are real results. This is money that's going into my bank account. All right. Alright guys, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Which is fantastic news, So let's keep the train going. So the first thing you want to do is get your affiliate links, guys. I'm going to show you the link that I use in particular. Choose any link that you want with this particular method. They're going to show you how to promote this product. But I use this one if you're curious. Alright guys, I personally use it because it promotes about 3 products at the same time. That's why. Alright, so what you want to do is go to my description, and you're going to see the first link, say something like incomespeech.com. You click on it, it's going to take you to this page here. And what this page is, the $25 business sales letter. Alright, it talks about how much money you can make, what it is essentially, and stuff like that, right? So what it essentially is, if you guys are interested, it's a funnel builder that's $25 per month. And you can make as many funnels you want and all that, and there's no upsells or anything like that. Like say for example, click funnels. If you're an affiliate marketer, you know what I'm talking about. Ton of upsells, like open up more funnels with if you pay this much, and it's $100 per month too. So like bump click funnels, move over here. All right, it's a pretty good product. It's a really good product. Very easy to understand and figure out how to do stuff in. It has videos about every single thing, unlike ClickFunnels. Unless they changed it since I've been over there. But anyway, one more thing I want to mention is that it shows you how much money you can make. As you see here, $20 and $100 monthly commission, guys. It means you can make $120 per month per customer. Fantastic. That's fantastic. Per month per customer. Fantastic. So sales in this is very powerful. Sales in this system is powerful. Get sales, it's possible you can make money off of that sale for the rest of your life. All right. Another thing I want to mention is that they give to charity here if you're interested in that type of thing. Either way, you can look through here, figure out how you feel about it. You know what I mean? And once you decide, hey, I want to try this out, don't click on yes. All right, you can put in all your information there. And get the product. Now one thing I want to mention, if you use my link in particular, you can get HBA Premium, that's another product, for free. All right, for free for 2 weeks. Now the cool thing with HBA Premium is it's basically traffic. It teaches you how to set up traffic for Facebook ads, Facebook groups, YouTube, podcasting, blogging link, blah blah blah. You know what I mean? It also has an AI content creation machine that helps you make posts on Instagram or whatever, right? To promote the products, and which is really cool. It just helps you out. You don't really gotta think much. You just type in, hey, help me, give me a post for this, and boom, you got it. Sort of like ChatGPT, or geared towards selling stuff. And yeah, you can get all of that for free for 14 days. Now the coolest thing about this is that if you get a sale with this product, right, you keep the $100 because it's 80% recurring commissions. You keep the $100 if you get a sale, even though you don't technically own the product yet. So you'll keep that $100. All right, and when you start getting sales with it, which is fantastic. So guys, yeah, just give this a shot. Now the next thing I want to show you guys is the absolute easiest way I have found to promote this product by far. No, nothing is nowhere near close. Nothing is nowhere near close, guys. All right, so the easiest now, the easiest. All right, so what you want to do, you want to click on my second link, and that's going to take you to my lead gen. All right, guys, what is my lead gen secret? essentially you get 100 leads you could promote to 100 people. You know what I mean? Every single day you could send an email. I meant to say, okay, let me clear it up. You get 100 leads that you could send an email to every single day. What I mean by that, for day one, you have 100 leads, you send an email to them. Day two, you'll have 200 leads, send an email to them. So on and so forth. Fantastic. All right, this works really well. And the cool thing about it, what I've noticed works the most well is very short emails that you can ChatGPT to write your emails for. All right, guys. So what you want to do is just click on mailing system. Once you sign in, do all the stuff you need to sign in. Click all your leads here. Don't pay attention to this number here, guys. Then send them all home. Let's refresh the page. But either way, guys, don't pay attention. As you see that number right here, don't pay attention to that number, because there are certain accounts that have less than this get way more sales and stuff like that. Don't worry about the number. You can still get a ton of sales even on your first account. When I first opened one of my accounts, I got a sale next day. So yeah, don't worry about that. So anyway, but you do better when you have a ton of. But so what we're gonna do here, guys. All right, we're gonna load up an email that ChatGPT has written us. One thing I want to do real quick. I want to copy my photo here. I think the photo helps when you post a photo of yourself or something like that. I think it helps. You don't need to do it though. Then our next email that ChatGPT has written for, that's this one. I'm gonna put that in there like that. Right? Here's what I'm gonna do. You can copy the email too. Hold on, let me get finished. The information in, we'll copy it in a minute. I'll show the whole email. I forgot it. Oh man, hold up. Sorry about this. Second, I meant to copy this. I will go back to the email. All we want to do, my picture down here. You don't need to do this, guys. Like I said before, I just like doing it. It feels like it works better. So I just do it. Make yourself a photo and post it up down here. Make yourself a signature. You don't have to do that, but I like it. It works really good. So anyway, guys, that's the email there that you can copy. If you want to copy it, ChatGPT wrote this email all the way for me. All I did was kind of popped out some of the stuff here, as you can see, italicize here and there, and all of that. That's all I really did for it. So anyway, you click on perfect time and they're going to send an email. That email. Now, you're going to hit preview because you want to make sure your link works. Also, I want to make sure you pause the video and you can get the whole email in its entirety. Pause the video, and you can copy this, no problem. All right, that's the subject, the body. All right, copy that. All it is. Very simple way to do it, and make sure to do it for you guys. I want to mention, you want to have short emails. Shorter emails better. Think about when you read stuff or emails. You want it to be short. You want to get to the point. Hey, I want you to do this. You need to do that. So it's it. You know what I mean? So and so. So yeah, keep it short. I put a picture. Works really well. Seems to work better, in my opinion. All right, that's all it is. All right, guys. That's it. And this is the absolute easy way to promote this product, guys. Now there are other ways to promote it that I think are more effective, but I think this is the easiest, because this only takes about 5-15 seconds after you got your email in the system. All you do is rotate them. All right. Now, one thing I want to mention also is consistency. Always stay on it. Whatever you're doing, that's how you make money online. Consistency. Keep posting. All right. Now, the most effective way to promote this product, I think, in particular, is to short videos like on you, and these particular sites in particular, and that is TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Those three, post shorts on those. Very short videos. Just post them and make sure to post them every day. Boom, boom, boom. Sooner or later, one goes viral. And you in the next echelon of money. You don't need a job ever again. How that works. So yeah, that's the way to do it. Now make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.